Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Gather an Ethernet cable rated Cat5e or Cat6, length suitable, up to 100 feet. Confirmed devices have RJ45 Ethernet ports labeled LAN, WAN, or Ethernet. Power down computers, routers, and switches before making physical connections for safety. Inspect cable ends for 8 gold pins and no visible damage or corrosion. Choose straight-through cable for device-to-router connections. Crossover only for older direct device links. Trim zip ties that stress cables and avoid sharp bends under 3.5 inches radius. Label both ends with location and port number to simplify troubleshooting and changes. Plug one RJ45 connector into the router or switch LAN port labeled with numbers. Insert the other connector firmly into the computer Ethernet port until it clicks. Power on devices and watch LEDs near the port for stable link and activity. Green steady usually means 1 Gbps link. Amber blinking often indicates activity or 100 Mbps. If no light appears, try a known good cable and test the port with another device. Use a small loopback tester or laptop to isolate faulty ports on switches and routers. Once link is up, check the computer network settings for DHCP versus static IP assignment. If DHCP is enabled, confirm the computer received an IP such as 192, 168, 110. For static IP use 192, 168, 150 with subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway 192, 168, 1, test connectivity with ping 8, 8, 8, 8 and run a browser to verify internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.